what you can also do, I'm going to tell you one of the secrets what you need to do. Okay, and do this one, very important. Wax your nose. Okay, get your nose wax. Get rid of those ear up in your nose. That you can get to breathe more, better, and more effective. Okay, so you need to wax your nose. You need to find somewhere who do wax and tell them you want to wax your nose. Okay, once you wax your nose, all of that thing will catch up inside of your head, will come out of you. Thank you, Chef Ricardo. Oh, you wax your nose. Okay, well, I'm telling you, because I did it many times. I wax my nose and I wax my ears, because there's a lot of hair around those places, and a lot of hair is up in your nose. So you can wax your nose and get rid of those hair in your nose, that you can breathe better. I'm gonna tell you one of the secrets what you can also do. So when you wax your nose, you're gonna breathe better and get rid of all of that cuggling up inside of your head, up inside of you. All right, that's what I secret I'm giving you. So try and do that one. Go somewhere and get it done.